Hey, hello, everybody. It's Benjamin and Lauren. It's not the Ben and Lauren show.
Not tonight.
Not tonight. We got an unboxing to do. We got this in the mail today. This is from Hebrew Housewife, and we contacted via Discord, and she wanted my address. I'm like, hmm. And she said, oh, yeah, it's for the honey. I'm like, oh, honey. We like honey.
I think we talked about this with her quite a while back, and she said, "Oh, if you like honey, let me know."
We do like honey.
We like honey. We go through a lot of honey.
So thank you. We're going to open this on video so we can share this experience with everybody who's interested. And so I got the package here. I got the scissors here. And now we cut.
Night, Elena. Go to bed.
We do all this stuff after the children go to bed.
Wow, nominally. Oh, we've got a note.
Oh, a note. We like notes. Would you like to read it?
Let's see. Dear Turner family, I hope you enjoy some honey that came from my husband's sunflower field.
Ooh.
Not sure why the beekeeper didn't put on a label. Try not to enjoy it all in one sitting.
That's
Well, you know what Proverbs says, honey is good, but too much will give you a problem.
right.
And I look forward to your next show as I do every week.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Shalom, and it's from their family, and they have all their names signed, but they've never put those on
Yeah.
on
So,
Steemit, so I'm not going to read them all.
so I think the plan is that we're going to open it for this. We did a little unboxing, and then we're going to save the actual taste test for the Ben and Lauren show. Although we might snitch a little ahead of time. I don't know.
A new mattress. We'll talk about that later. Go to bed, guys.
We're having a children photo bomb.
We have an insurrection.
So we're not doing a Ben and Lauren show.
Good night, guys.
All right, so let's open this up.
That is a lot of honey.
This is very nice packaging, by the way. Elena wants to tell everybody that she has a new mattress.
Wow.
Ooh,
That is a lot
whoa.
of honey. Look at all the beeswax
Oh,
still
it's
in it.
beautiful. It's
Wow.
beautiful. Wow. Ah.
She said not to eat it all in one sitting. That
Oh,
was good advice. That's like half a gallon of honey.
look at that beautiful honey.
Can you show the beeswax in the top?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see the beeswax, but there's kind of some good floaties up there at the top. That's how you know it's good. Oh, okay. I know we should have got some crackers ready.
No, it's all sealed up.
Oh, it's all sealed.
Can't
All right.
seal it. We'll
We're
have to taste test it later.
all right. We're gonna use a little discipline, and we're going to wait until the Ben and Lauren show to do the taste test on this. But we wanted to say thank you very, very much, Hebrew Housewife. It is a wonderful, wonderful treat, and we like honey a lot.
We do.
It is really good.
We use it every week to make peanut butter and honey sandwiches, although honestly I like it better on Greek yogurt.
So Lauren makes her own Greek yogurt, and we buy the milk from Aldi for cheap, and Lauren makes, I think there's a batch going right now, isn't there?
There is on the counter.
And
maybe that's what we'll have to use for our taste test.
Probably. And it starts off as regular yogurt, then you strain it, get all the whey out of it, and it gets nice and thick. And then we usually top it with maybe some granola and honey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you very, very much. This is going to be well appreciated.
Yes, it will. Thank you so much. And have a wonderful night. Let's keep it nice and short. And good night, everyone.
Good night.